Hello and welcome to C2 Part 2, IR Command Creation and Editing. The software that we'll be using to view, learn, and edit IR commands is the IR Manager. With the Compass Control software suite installed on your PC, you'll find the IR Manager with its blue nautical icon. And here we are, going to teach you how we learn and edit those commands, and also how to test those commands. We test the commands using KDMC1000 and or the KDHD Lite, which is the matrix switchers with the master controller, and it's all done over your local area network. So you'll have Compass Control open on your PC, you'll open the IR Manager, we'll be on the same network with the master controller. And in order to test commands, there is a property or a setting we'll choose in our window where we could choose any of the multifunction ports on the MC1000. You want to choose the port that corresponds with the connection that your IR emitter is connected to. So let's go ahead, open up our IR Manager, and we could choose any device to open by going to File, Open, and from the get-go, or from the very beginning, it's the default directory of the Key Digital Compass Control software, which is C, Program Files x86 if you have that. If you don't have x86, it'll be just the program files. Key Digital, Compass Control, Library, and IR databases. In here, you can see all of our IR databases, which are organized separate folders by brand. There are well over 125,000 IR code sets, product by product by product. So let's just go to something simple here, like Apple. And you see here now, this is the library name, here's the brand, here's the product type, and then as we click the actual model, we can see those code sets. If you'd like to test a command, you want to enter the correct IP address in here. This IP address should correspond with the IP address that we've set in the Master Controller Device Manager as the host IP. Choose the type of master controller that you're working with, and then specify your testing port. You could then choose any command and test that function. When you test it on your master controller, you should actually see the corresponding IR emitter light blinking. So as I press here, I'm looking at my master controller and I see the corresponding IR port blinking there. And of course, if I had an IR emitter connected to that port, if that is a blinking type IR emitter, as the one that we include, you would also see that emitter blinking. So now, on my screen, I will change to IR port 6, so we'll see the other bookend of our MC1000. Ooh, actually, made a mistake there, didn't I? The learning port. I'll choose IR sensor back to there, the default port. Testing port. Now IR6 is blinking.